My name is Charlie Walk. I am president of Blackstone Homes. We are a custom home build team in the Boise area. My wife and I are the build design team. We do about 40% spec builds to 60% custom homes. I think what makes Blackstone Homes different and stand out is we're a very modern American, modern mountain home builder. Every home that we build is different. We like to mix and match different materials and textures. With my wife's design eye and my build experience, I believe that's what sets us apart and makes us unique. The wire brush texture of the thermally modified wood gives us that texture that we're looking for. We have the ability to run it horizontal and vertical, which creates a good aesthetic for the front of a home. The thermally modified wood is great because it's real wood, and that's what our clients are looking for. It's not plastic, it's not fake. They like the natural look of it, the texture of it. For me as a builder, there's a lot of reasons why I like this product. The big thing is that it has a warranty and it literally comes ready to apply on the home, pre-finished, ready to go. My wife and I are constantly searching for the new trends, not just searching for the new trends, but seeing if we can create the new trends. With all of the people moving here to the Boise area, there are styles coming from all across the country. People like different things, and for me, that modern American build is taking their style, our style, and making it work for the area that we live in. As a custom home builder, we don't want any two homes to be the same, but we also want you to be able to drive through a neighborhood and know when you're seeing a Blackstone home, and thermally modified wood helps us accomplish that.